Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Vora from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for December 19th, 2017. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, the markets got exactly what they were looking for. The House passed the tax bill today, and it looks very likely that the Senate will as well. Yet, stocks pulled back. The Dow today down about 37.5 points, while the S&P 500 was down 8.5. The Nasdaq pulling back a little over 30, while the Russell was down about 12 points. So an interesting move today. Even a more interesting move came on TLT. Have a look at that drop over the past couple of days. TLT moving down sharply here, losing over 1%. And this is interesting. The yields are obviously going up as this drops. And now the 10-year is at a yield of 2.459. What traders should be on the lookout for is that 3% level. If it can get to the 3% yield level, and especially if it can cross above that 3% yield level, they should become very, very wary of these markets. I think if that happens, you will see a substantial pullback in equity. So keep an eye on the 10-year. Another way to keep an eye on it is through IEF, which is the iShares 7 to 10-year Treasury Bond ETF. Have a look at this. It is about to break a key low here. Did so today, actually closed below it. So it'll be interesting to see if there's follow through. But have a look. And this thing is clearly rolling over. So the lower this goes, the higher the yield goes. Keep an eye on the yield for the 10-year bond. Now, on another interesting note today, something we rarely see, Apple getting downgraded, and which led to a drop of 1.1%. It actually led the tech sector lower. It was moved from a to neutral from a buy by Nomura Instinet. And that in itself is interesting. But when you look at the chart here, when you look at Apple from a technical perspective, really doesn't look like there's much to be concerned about. If we get a bit more of a pullback here in towards that upsloping 20, we may actually see another buying opportunity. What's interesting here from a technical perspective is this: the potential of a double top here. But we're far from confirming that. We need to see it break below this low here, which is the December 6th low, which comes in right around 166.46. We are still trading at 174.5. So we are far from that. And if we look at the weekly chart, it looks pretty good. Momentum is there. You look at the monthly chart, and it looks really good as well. So not too concerned about that single downgrade. I'd actually be on the lookout for another buying opportunity here. But, in the back of your head, just keep an eye on the December 6th low. If that happens to break, the picture will change very, very quickly. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.